สวัสดีครับทุกคน
วันนี้พาเพื่อนๆมากินไก่ทอดสไตล์ไชนีสนะคะ
ไก่ทอด
Chicken Fried Chinese แล้วก็น้ำตกเนื้อนักเก็ตค่ะ
beef with mint
กินกับข้าวสวยจ้ะ
let's eat
After long time you make video with me นะ
yeah I miss you โอ้ย
มาแล้วนะคะ because have someone asking for you
กับ
where your
กับกุ้งกับ
where your love they ask me they miss you นะ เอาเริ่มที่น้ำตกเนื้อเลย I want you try my dish
of course
beef
it's on I request
I forget to put lemon
this one without bones still will try
have bone no
I smell it already when they make
you hungry
mak mak
only bone
we'll find chicken
sometimes you finish work late that's why not make video นะ
yeah 1 o'clock already
he tired from work that's why I
Bo-
didn't want to disturb him to make video when have good time good mood no problem นะ
of course
ไม่อยากบังคับค่ะ ตอนไหนที่เขามีอารมณ์อยากจะถ่ายด้วยวันไหนที่เขาไม่เหนื่อยเราก็ให้ถ่ายด้วย
spicy
อยู่ด้วยกันก็ต้องให้เกียรติกันค่ะ ถ้าวันไหนอยากให้เขาถ่ายด้วยก็อ้อนเขาหน่อย
how you make it with lemon you just put lemon like that or with coke how you make with lemon you said you do not put lemon you have to put lemon like that or you will same time you are
Mix.
cooking same time you're cooking
no last after mix is like but it's okay not bad right
อร่อย
somebody didn't put alsoไก่ร้านจีนน้องสาวกินบ่อยมากก็เลยอยากกินตาม Why you lucky only see bone very nice
yeah
they make from leg they not make from wing every time they make wing now you request them that's why they make leg for you this one very nice babe oh I want to keep you take care นะ maybe have little bone ซะ too much big meat
more อร่อย
มาจ้ะกินด้วยกันแซ่บ
like that it's matching if beef was fish it will not match
yeah it's nice I searching oil this beef I think I make one time you remember you try with me
I eat that was very nice that's why I told you I will eat with you but I remember last time it was not spicy
yeah I not make spicy much even today I put less spicy เราต้องเลือกกินตัวมันๆนะคะ
beef also very soft
that's why I only buy this area this page is
Brazil
different on this page you should also buy มาจะแซ่บๆนะกัน
with mayonnaise We was planning to make was macaroni, spaghetti, but it's not much. I listened to her. It's much more with rice.
So good. I want you to try this from my hand with mint.
Like sandwich.
It will be more nice. I don't know you like Anna.
Alloy.
อร่อยอร่อยแซ่บ
Sab.
I'm so much happy when you make video with me. I feeling more delicious 100%. More yummy. More แซ่บ Better than eat alone, right?
Of course. I catch all bones.
Yeah, mostly bone. This one not bone. I give you my leg. This one.
I give you back, Zan.
ป้อนกันไปก็ป้อนกันมาคำใหญ่ๆจ้ะ
She put peanuts also, no?
เนี่ยป๊าตามใจไหม
Tamjay kap.
I like when ป๊าตามใจ I'm happy
Happy day for you. I was to get happy. Arabic treat.
Be the best
Yeah. Chicken quantity also is good, right?
yeah โทมัดบน
I eat all nuggets, you did not.
I don't want I eat already with
What
noodle
is that?
yesterday food แซ่บจ้ะพี่น้องโทมัด
Thinking we need rice. Yeah.
This very nice
Okay, ja. See you next time. Swadee kap.